I ran into a problem. Maybe you can relate to this. I've been at this internet marketing and online teaching, online coaching, all of this stuff for 30 years now. And I have a hard drive that is absolutely jam packed with all sorts of great content. And in fact, I have probably 150 to 250 actual courses that I've created over the last number of years. Now, why is this important? Because it's dead content for all intents and purposes. It's just some text. Maybe there's a slide, maybe there's a talking head. But now, with all of the leverage that we have with all of these cool AI agents and skills, we're in a situation where any of those old courses need rescuing very quickly. The content's valuable, but the way people interact with them has completely changed. So I was trying to figure out, how can I take advantage of all of that great content I have and either repurpose it or make it something that someone would want to interact with when they're trying to learn a particular topic, following my expertise and your knowledge of processes, situations, applications, guidance, and mentorship on a particular outcome that you were doing. And in fact, what I did is last week I launched Course Lab, which was a really cool agent team that has a whole bunch of skills. The entire purpose of this agent team is to basically go out and do one of four things. It's like rescuing old courses, like what I ran into. It's about taking a particular topic that I have an interest in and I know what's involved in it, and basically building out some kind of actionable lesson, or even taking artifacts like PDFs or other slide decks, something like that that I've had, or just ask for a sample lesson, for example, as a lead magnet or something that I can use to get people into my privately branded community or campus, and or sell one of the particular courses or educational content that I have, or even use it when I'm doing live classes or cohorts or any of these actual teaching situations. And what it does, and it's done a really good job of that, I'm going to show you some cool examples, is it actually creates a blueprint or a visual diagnosis of that dead content. So the first thing it does, it maps out the course, takes a look at every lesson, and it basically asks, what is the best interactive visual way to go and teach this content? And it basically goes with options with a reason, as opposed to here's a template to turn it into something. It evaluates what that dead course is before it goes to revive it, or it evaluates the idea that you have to figure out what's the best interactive way to teach this particular task or outcome that's looking for. It does a checkpoint, so you can take a look and say, yeah, that's a good idea, or maybe I was thinking a little bit differently about it. Allows you to swap some picks, maybe reorder, restructure things. But after you've agreed to it, it just goes and says, you know what? I'm going to rewrite the course. So it'll build out lessons, interactive assets, and then it will look at screenshots of the interactives and do a quality check on it. It'll fix what's wrong, and it actually does a certificate to say, yes, this interactive asset that we built makes sense and it works. So you get to take a look at that, and then it will actually go and publish for you. So I did some examples actually last week when I kind of rolled this one out, and I'll just show you kind of what it looks like here so that you can see it. And I think this is, here's probably the best one right here. So here's an example of one of the lessons that it built out quickly, and this was for a course on basically starting your first cohort, and it was one of the ones about setting the price. Now, I could have gone and talked about basically a whole bunch of static dead content, but pricing is something that is dynamic. You can have theory about it, but you need to be able to kind of visually or see what happens when you change and apply things. So what it did is it actually took a look at this, and it created the interactive asset with the course. And what it does is play around, and it lets you play around with the pricing on it. So, if you're offering a plan and you're figuring out, where should I price it? Or if I price it, what actually happens to everything? We play around with it, and I figure out I'm going to have, 10 people or 12 people. It'll actually go and reveal the results. So you can play around with your pricing and actually see what happens. And it gives you what the break even is, and it allows you to know or give you some guidance on what's actually showing up here. And then the other thing that's here is if you take a look at it, look what's here now. Download cohort price setter. There's a skill with it. Now, why is this important? It's one thing to have an interactive asset in your LMS or your course, but everyone's going to be using their favorite large language model tool. In my case, I suggest Claude, but they may be using, for example, ChatGPT or Codex. But this is a skill, an installable skill that follows the standard that all of these other tools use. And basically, it creates a skill specifically for the student to use and install on their machine to get extra value from. So just think about what's happened here. We started off with an old course where I had some text and maybe a screenshot. Maybe I had a talking head video or some slides. Maybe there was a quiz or something. And if you look at any of the stats, it's like 8 or 9 people out of 100 actually finish a course now. It's a dead course. Now what we have is we have a super interactive, visually compelling course that involves the student, and we also have a skill that's available that they can download and use and apply what's actually in the lesson. And it goes and says, done it for real, go check it out. And then it gives you some scoring on what's done. And you want to see it on a different way, we've got prompts. So here is a complete package now for you to be able and go back and just say, hey, take a look at all of my courses. I want you to kind of figure out, where things are at. Is there stuff that we can take a look at and fix? Is this something that's worthwhile to do? And if you want to go and apply this, it's pretty simple. What you can do is just go to the trainingsites.io/course lab. I'll put the link there below as well. You install this into Claude. It's a plugin, and you get a complete agent team that does all of the work to turn any dead course into a live, interactive, visual, AI leveraged course that people will actually love to take and learn from. So hope you'll enjoy this little thing. Go and check out the Course Lab. It does all of this stuff when it has to come with dead courses, old content, new ideas, or even if you just want to use it by creating these interactive assets specifically for doing lead magnets, maybe you're actually in some kind of live situation or teaching, you can go and make this available just as an individual lesson. So it's 97 bucks. This brand new skill part is directly in it. It's a simple install, and now you can go back and fix any course that's really been bothering you because it doesn't look great anymore, but you know that there's real valuable content there. My name is James, trainingsites.io. Like and subscribe to the channel. Visit the community. Check out the campus operating system. It's here to help you teach more and let agents do the rest.